Right, hello everybody. Today on this elevator part video, we're going to be taking a look at a button that some of you probably already have and are probably have already done what we're about to do today. But today we're going to be taking a detailed look at the button that Thyssenkrupp gives out to the Safety Ambassador Club. So let's go ahead and get started. So for those of you that have this button already, you know exactly what this is and you know exactly where this came from. That's right, this is the Thyssenkrupp button. This is the button that's given to people when they sign up for the Thyssenkrupp Safety Ambassador Club. You get this cool little elevator button and it looks pretty awesome. It's got this kind of rounded edge on the top and the bottom, and it's just a simple MAD button. This is what Thyssenkrupp uses now, and it lights up blue. Looks pretty awesome. And then on the back, if you have the newer one like mine, you have Thyssenkrupp's newer logo. And if you have the older one, you have their older logo. So a huge thumbs up to Thyssenkrupp for providing these buttons to a lot of kids that don't have any elevator buttons, because this is pretty cool. And I know when I was a kid, if Thyssenkrupp sent me one of these, it would have been the coolest thing ever. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. And we can see here we got 4 Phillips head screws on either side of the panel. So once you take the 4 screws off, you want to very, very gently reach underneath and lift the cover off, just like this. And we can see inside. So here's the little Thyssenkrupp bit here, and be very careful when you take this off because you don't want to scratch the back. And here we have the inside, and this is also where you can change the battery if you need to do that. Pull this off and stick a new battery in there. But inside we've got our standard DMG base here. You can see DMG right there. So if we just do the standard removal procedure for a DMG base by pulling down and lifting up, we can pull it out and see that's how it works. And then if you really, really wanted to, you could theoretically replace this button with whatever you wanted that would fit in here, but you know, who really wants to do that, because this is the button you get from Thyssenkrupp, so we're gonna keep it original. And you can see back here the wiring schematic. If for some reason you want to hook something else to this switch, you can use the common to and normally open to switch for that very purpose. So that's a little look at the inside of the little Thyssenkrupp button. So to close it up, you take your little logo plate, cover it up, and put the screws back on. Now, something important to note when you're closing this thing back up is to not tighten these screws too tight, because you don't want to break the little logo plate, because it could break if you tighten it too much. But anyway, that's just a quick little look at the inside of the Thyssenkrupp Safety Ambassador button. Thank you again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.